Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a refreshing Hajmola mojito. This unique twist on a classic drink is surprisingly simple and incredibly delicious. We'll start by gathering just a few common ingredients, including fresh mint, a lime, and of course, 2 Hajmola candies. Get ready to create a delightful beverage that's perfect for any occasion, offering a sweet and tangy kick. Now, let's get those flavors mingling. First, drop about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves into your glass. Next, add 2 Hajmola candies and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Using a muddler, gently press and twist these ingredients together. The goal is to release the fragrant oils from the mint and dissolve the Hajmola and sugar, creating a flavorful base for your mojito. With your flavorful base ready, it's time to assemble your mojito. Squeeze the juice of 1 whole lime directly into the glass, adding a bright, zesty kick. Then, fill your glass generously with ice cubes, almost to the brim, to ensure your drink is perfectly chilled. Finally, top everything off with about 150 milliliters of chilled club soda, completing the refreshing blend. Your Hajmola mojito is almost ready. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your drink with a fresh lime wedge or a vibrant mint sprig. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the wonderful flavors are perfectly combined and distributed throughout. Now, it's time to serve your unique, tangy, and sweet creation immediately. Enjoy every refreshing sip of this delightful and easy-to-make beverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.